Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make crispy Louisiana-style beer batter fish fillets using a ready-made seafood batter mix. It's quick, easy, and so delicious. Let's get started. Seafood batter mix, the entire package. 1 cup of light beer or club soda, fish fillets, and of course oil for frying. First, in a large bowl, combine the entire seafood batter mix with 1 cup of light beer or club soda. Whisk until smooth. It should be nice and thick but pourable. Next, dip your fish fillets into the batter, making sure they're completely coated. Then give them a gentle shake to remove any excess batter. While you do that, heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it hot enough to get that perfect crispy crust. Carefully, slowly lower each coated fillet into the hot oil. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then gently drop it in. Fry until golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure the internal temperature hits 145 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how you know it's perfectly cooked. Once done, remove the fish and let it drain on paper towels. Serve hot with lemon wedges or your favorite sides. Crispy, flavorful, Louisiana style. Yum. Thanks for cooking along. If you love this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and enjoy your delicious fish fillets. See you next time.